What's up, everybody? Y'all know who it is. Zeke again in the kitchen. Finna show y'all how I do my roasted chicken. What's up? What's up? Let me show y'all my chicken first. I got me about a 4.5 pound chicken. Look at her. Say hi, chicken. Hi, chicken. Let me stop playing with the damn food. Gotta eat this chicken. I'm so stupid. So we got about a 4.5 pound chicken. And right here, I have made some, I'm about to inject it with this marinade that I make. And let me see if I can tell you what's in here, if I can remember. I always make it. I squeeze a half a lemon. I do some Worcestershire sauce. I do some Zatarain's hot crab ball, about a cap full. I do onion powder, garlic powder, a little lemon pepper, lemon juice. What else I put in here? I think that's it. Then I put it in the microwave. I melt it down where it get like this. Then I add a little water to it, and I taste it, and it tastes wonderful. Yeah. So after I do that, I take my injector. Well, my injector. Here go my injector. Take my injector. And I'm going to draw some out. Come on here. Draw it out. I have to draw it out like this first. Then I like to add my needle to it. Where is it? Come on. Add my needle to it. And I inject my chicken. The first thing I inject, I go underneath the breast. And I stick my needle in there. And I go underneath. Come on. All right, needle. I know you. There we go. I go underneath the left side of the breast. And I insert my marinade. Then I go inside this breast to the right side. And I inject my marinade. So let me inject this chicken. I do breast, leg, thigh, in the back. Be right back. All right. Let me make sure I'm right. All right. I got it all stabbed up, kneaded up. There you go. Look, I got it full of the marinade. So I take a piece of foil paper and I fold it in a little tie. So I tie the legs up. So you catch the legs like this. So I do like a little twisty tie. See here? See, I tie the legs up like this. And I make this with some foil paper. See, and I twist it. That's gonna keep the legs together. Okay, shit, it just broke. Let me see that I make it long enough. So I can use this part here. Yeah, I think I still can. Yeah, I tied it too tight. Okay, so I'm gonna tie these legs. I got my oven preheat. I got my oven set on 350. Come on, chicken, act right, shit. Can I tie these legs again? There we go. All right, got the legs tied. Be right back. All right, we're gonna roast this in a Bundt pan. Y'all know this, what y'all make y'all Bundt cakes with? So you take a piece of foil paper and you cover that hole up, because that's what the chicken gonna sit on. And around this Bundt pan, I'm gonna take about, let's see, there's 1 clove of garlic. Cut that in there. 2 cloves of garlic. You can put as much garlic you want. This is gonna help the aroma go in the chicken. Yeah. Okay. Then we're gonna put the onion. About a half an onion. You can cut it whole, cut it in pieces. Put that around the, I'll do the rest of my onion. What did I do with the rest of my onion? Oh, there it go. So I'm gonna cut this onion around this Bundt pan. Just cut it into whole chunks. Let it go all around there. Just put that all in there. That'll be enough. Just go all the way around there. Like that. Y'all, I be doing simple cooking. Everything ain't hard. Okay, that's enough onion around there like that. So I got some garlic around this Bundt pan. I got garlic in there. And I'm gonna add some water. So add a little water. Maybe a half a cup. Like that. Y'all watch how beautiful this chicken come out. You ain't gotta go to Walmart and get no rotisserie chicken. You can do it at your house. That's good. So I got water around there. Now what I'm about to do is okay, that's my Bundt pan. Let me put this to the side. Let me grab this chicken back. So y'all see the chicken. I'm gonna take this chicken and I'm about to put some olive oil all on this chicken. So olive oil, put olive oil all on it. Bathed in olive oil. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, so coat it with olive oil. All right, be right back. Cut. Okay, now that I got it coated in olive oil, I'm about to season the inside cavity with some Greek all-purpose seasoning, one of my favorites. I just want to sprinkle some of that inside of this bird. Okay. Also inside this bird, I'm going to put in, I'm going to squeeze a piece of lemon in there. So I'm going to put a lemon in there. I'm going to put 2 cloves of garlic in there. And I'm going to put this piece of onion in there. So I'm going to put all of them on the inside. Okay, now I'm going to take it. Put it right here. And I'm about to set it on this Bundt pan. So, take the chicken. And I'm going to set it on here. I'm going to get on there, baby. Sit on it. There we go. See that? There you go. Sit on. She monking on the stick. Chicken on the stick, baby. And take the wings. I bend the wings back like that. Hold the camera on here. Bend the wings back like that. All right. Then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it after this, like this. Be right back. Hey, y'all see how I got it in the Bundt pan? Look how it's sitting up there. So you take the wings and you fold them back. The legs tied up like that. And it's dashed, it's covered with olive oil. Now I'm about to put the phone back like this. Let me show one back in the camera. I need me a camera person. Oh boy. So, see, I'm in the frame. I think I'm in the frame. Yeah, I think I'm in the frame. Now, you season the outside of your chicken or whatever. So, this is a nice little bottle that I bought, and I make my own. Sometimes I make my own little Cajun seasoning because I don't like all that salt that sometimes be in the other Cajun seasoning. So I'm gonna take. Oh, I gotta take the top off. So I made this here with white. I got white pepper in here, black pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika. I have lemon pepper. I got some thyme, oregano. I think I have a little sage in here. All kind of little mixture, and I think I only have like maybe 2 tablespoons of salt. So I'm gonna take that And that's what I'm gonna season the outside of my chicken with. So let me season the outside of this chicken, and I'm gonna show it to y'all when I'm finished. I'm gonna show y'all of me putting it back in the oven. All right, be right back, y'all. I got it coated with Zeke special seasoning that I mixed up, and I'm about to put, since this is a 4.5 pound chicken, I'm gonna put it in the oven for about an hour and 35 minutes at 350. So you usually bake a chicken like this is 20 minutes per pound. So that's what we're gonna do, and we'll see this baby in an hour and a half. All right, see y'all later. Right, I'm about to push her in. There we go. See you in a few minutes, baby. 20 minutes. Look at that. So I'm about to take it and baste it right quick and put it back in for about 10 more minutes. Be right back. All right, let's baste it. So that's why you want to put that onion and that garlic around there. Because when you basting it, you're basting it with flavor, baby. See that? So I'm going to baste this chicken. I'm going to put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to cover it with foil paper and let it rest for about 10 minutes. I got my potatoes roasted in the oven also. So, there go that boneyard pimp, baby, getting roasted. And it's going to be good. All right, y'all. Let me finish basting this so I can put it back in the oven. All right, y'all. There you go. It's been in the oven for a total of 1 hour and 35 minutes. Now, from this, what you're going to do is, don't that bird look pretty? Don't he look pretty? Okay. So take foil paper and cover him up. So I'm going to cover them up with foil paper and let it rest about 10 minutes. Then it'll be ready to cut, y'all. All right, let me cover it up. All right, let's unwrap it. There we go. I'm going to take it and put it in a, look how pretty that is. About to take it and put it in a tray so we can cut it and eat it. And my roasted potatoes are ready also. Make sure I'm in the, there we go. Look how pretty that is. Haha. All right, there she go. Look how she's standing up. Maybe she's standing on her own 2 feet. She's sitting down. Look, she's sitting there. Look, the chicken sitting there with her legs crossed. Lord have mercy. There she go. There go Miss Roasted Chicken. Y'all see me do it. There she go. Lord, she's sitting there so pretty and comfortable. I don't want to taste her now. But y'all know we got to taste her. Hold up, let me set this camera up so we can taste her. Let me come on, we got to taste this chicken, baby. We got to taste this chicken. We ain't playing in the kitchen. Nah. Let's taste this. I'm setting my phone right. Hope y'all see me. We're going to taste this. What piece I'm going to break on it. Let's see. All right. Let me, you know what? I ain't gonna mess with her legs right now. Let me get a wing. Let me get a wing. Let me break a wing off. There we go. Ooh, look how tender. Look how that wing just came off, y'all. Look how tender. Oh, baby. Let's try this chicken out. Oh yeah. I told y'all I don't be playing in the kitchen. Taste this wine. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. And I injected the wing too, y'all. Look how I got that mad look, that serious look on my face. That's how you know it's good when you eat mad. You gotta eat mad, look. Look how mad I am with it. I know I got that. I ain't no more meat on that bone. I'm gonna sit down and eat this with my roasted potatoes. Then I'm gonna make me a banana pudding. That's it, y'all. Y'all know what I say. Y'all seen me make it. Y'all seen the blind man make it. I'm gonna make y'all some. Bye, y'all.